good day?
Yes, blueberries are very healthy. They are low in calories but high in nutrients such as fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, and antioxidants. The antioxidants in blueberries, particularly flavonoids like anthocyanins, can help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, which are linked to various chronic diseases. Consuming blueberries regularly can support heart health, improve brain function, and aid in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels.
You're welcome. Feel free to take your time, and when you're ready, ask away. I'm here to help with any questions you might have. When considering protein sources based on their absorption and utilization by the body, whey protein is often regarded as one of the best. Here are some key points. 1. Biological value, BV. Whey protein has a very high biological value, meaning it's efficiently utilized by the body. 2. Digestibility. It is quickly digested and absorbed. 3. Amino acid profile. It contains all essential amino acids and is particularly rich in branched chain amino acids, BCAAs, which are crucial for muscle repair and growth. 4. Protein digestibility corrected amino acid score. Whey protein also scores highly on this scale, indicating it provides all the amino acids in the right proportions and is highly digestible. However, other sources like soy protein, casein, and eggs also offer excellent protein quality with good absorption rates. The best choice can also depend on dietary preferences, restrictions, and specific health goals. If whey protein isn't suitable or available, casein protein is often considered the next best option. Like whey, casein is derived from milk and contains all essential amino acids. However, casein is digested more slowly, making it a good choice for sustained protein release, such as overnight. For non-dairy alternatives, pea protein and soy protein are excellent plant-based options. They also provide a complete amino acid profile and are particularly suitable for vegans or those with lactose intolerance. You're welcome. Take your time. I'm here whenever you have a question or need assistance.